someone doesn't fall down. Oh, of course.
Brock still got that one shoe. You know what I mean?
That piece is going well. You want this thing to pull
You
it
just
done?
jinxed all of this.
She don't have to use that video if she don't want to. It's just raw pictures and videos. She doesn't want to upload anything.
Sit down again. Put the inside. 3/4 away.
If you need some weather stripping for something.
No offense, but I don't like that.
I mean, you're literally saying, hey, I don't think it's going to rain for the entire trip there and all the way home.
That's what Jeep people do.
Yeah.
Well, out west, they might get lucky that way.
Yep. Oh.
I just,
But if you're going on an outing for a day, like you said, but you got to get prepped, you need a garage to keep it in. So you can get everything prepped the day before, then you go out for your day trip and come back, and then you got the next day to unload everything and put it all back.
Yeah,
As long as you're indoors.
I'm just a,
If you're an apartment dweller, you're screwed.
driving across the country. Everybody should do it. Because that was an education, just driving across the damn country. I've done it 4 times, and I'd do it again right now.